Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teacher Modern English of School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Student, today I am going to discuss some theorem of exercise 10B, chapter quadrilaterals of class 9 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So, let's start theorem of students. So, first theorem is 9 number, theorem 9, converse of theorem 8. Okay. So if the two diagonals of a parallelograms are equal, if the two diagonals of a parallelograms are equal, prove that the parallelogram is a rectangle. If two diagonals of a parallelograms are equal, then prove that the parallelogram is a rectangle. Okay. So students, in the given figure, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram in which AC equal to BD, because AC and BD is the diagonal of this parallelogram. Okay, and prove that A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Okay, so let's start proof of students. Now, first of all, in triangle ABC, and triangle DCB, okay, AB equal to DC, because the opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Okay, because opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. AB equal to DC and AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD. This is given in the question. Okay, AC equal to BD and BC equal to BC. And BC equal to BC is common. For students, in triangle ABC, इस triangle में ABC, okay, and triangle DCB, okay, for AB equal to DC, because the opposite sides of a parallelograms are equal. We know that. And AC equal to BD, diagonals are equal. This is the given in this question. Okay, and BC equal to BC are common. Okay, so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB. Which criteria? Side. Okay, so students, angle ABC of triangle ABC equal to angle DCB by CPCD. Okay, now students, DC is parallel to AB. Now DC is parallel to AB and CB is the transversal, and CB is a transversal. Okay, so angle ABC plus angle DCB equal to 180 डिग्री को इंटीरियर एंगल से दोनों का सम क्या होगा 180 डिग्री. फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, both angles are equal. ABC equal to DCB. This is from equation first. ABC equal to DCB. So from 1, ABC and DCB both are equal. So we write ki two angle ABC, because ki replace angle DCB equal to ABC and ABC equal to 2ABC equal to 180 degree and 90 degree. For students, angle ABC equal to angle DCB equal to 90 degree. ABCD is a parallelogram in which one of whose angle is 90 degree. Okay, hence ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. We know that a parallelogram in which one of whose angles is 90 degree, and that parallelogram is called a rectangle. Okay, our next theorem is theorem number 11, converse of theorem 10. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then prove that it is a rhombus. So students, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC and BD are the diagonals intersect at the point O. Such that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Okay, and AC is the perpendicular to BD. AC is the perpendicular to BD, bisect each other at right angles. So then prove that ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, so students, we know that a quadrilateral in which the diagonals bisect each other, in a quadrilateral, that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay, diagonals of a quadrilateral, let's start proof. Since we know that the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, therefore quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay, quadrilateral is a parallelogram. If यदि ABCD is a parallelogram, so ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB equal to DC, and AD equal to BC. Okay, so opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Okay, now students, in triangle AOD and COD, in triangle AOD and triangle COD. Okay, in triangle AOD and COD, OA equal to OC, diagonals bisect each other. Okay, and OD equal to OD common. Okay, OD equal to OD common, and angle AOD equal to angle COD equal to 90 degree. So students, this side equal to this side, this is the common, and this angle is 90 degree. The sides of both triangles are congruent. So triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. Side angle side criteria. Okay, so we say that AD equal to CD. Okay, by CPCD. So AD equal to CD and AD equal to BC, because the opposite sides of a parallelogram, and AB equal to DC. So all sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. So here AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC and AD equal to CD. Hence, so AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. So all sides are equal of this quadrilateral. Then we say that ABCD is a rhombus. Hence, quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Our next theorem is theorem number 13, that is the converse of theorem 12. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral, are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree, bisect each other at right angles, then prove that the quadrilateral is a square. Okay. So students, given कि ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC and diagonals AC and BD intersect at the point O. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which diagonal AC and BD intersect at the point O, such that कि AC equal to BD, and OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. क्योंकि diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So AC is perpendicular to BD. Then prove that कि ABCD is a square. So students, a quadrilateral in which the diagonal bisect each other, then therefore the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So let's start proof. Since the diagonals of a quadrilateral, since if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, diagonal bisect each other, then the ABCD is a parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal. AB equal to DC. So AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. So students, now in triangle AOD and COD. In triangle AOD and COD and triangle COD. Okay. So OA equal to OC. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay. OA equal to OC. Diagonal bisect each other, and angle AOD equal to angle COD equal to 90 degree. क्योंकि BD is perpendicular to AC and AC is perpendicular to BD, 90 degree, and OD equal to OD common. So students, therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. Side angle criteria. Okay, so we write कि AD equal to DC by CBCD. For students, AD equal to DC and AD equal to BC, opposite sides of a parallelogram, and AB equal to DC, then all sides are equal. So here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay, all sides are equal in a parallelogram. That is the rhombus. In triangle ABC and ABCD, BC and BAD and triangle BAD. Okay, so AB equal to AB कॉमन है and AC equal to BD. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal, which is given. Okay, and AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. Okay, for opposite sides are equal. For students, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. साइड जब ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स ABC और BAD आपस में इक्वल है तो दैट एंगल A प्लस एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल B. ओके, BC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल BAD. सो वी राइट की एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल B बाई CPCD. ओके, बाई CPCD and but angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree, that is the co-interior. Okay, and 2 angle A equal to 180 degree, so that is the 90. For angle A equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay, for students, a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal, whose all sides are equal and one of whose angle is 90 degree, one of whose angle is 90 degree, then we say that ki ABCD is a square. Hence ABCD is a square. Okay.